Our driveway is washing away. This is the foundation. The foundation of the driveway with the bricks. Even the bricks are starting to wash away. It's just a constant stream of water. Okay, the road is washing away down here at the end of my street. Oh, it's really caving in here. Looks like a river of water. A large portion of it has been washed away. You can tell how full the ditches are. Okay, this is at the other end of my street. This is the ditch. And this is the other side. Really a coming. Okay. Okay, right in here is coming in the road. The ditches are over full. There's a deer going into the woods. Okay, this is the driveway at the end, starting to form a hole. There's a pretty deep hole. And the roots of the trees are starting to show through.